Hi, I'm Kyle with Maverick Car Company, and I'm going to answer a couple questions for you today. So brake fluid is the hydraulic fluid that goes into your brake calipers, which applies the braking force, the gripping force, to your rotors, which slows down your car. So brake fluid is something that can be tested with either test strips or a little digital tester. And that can be part of an inspection process or regular maintenance. Also, the color of the fluid will change over time with oxygen and wear and tear and heat. You may notice like poor pedal performance. You might notice the pedals getting lower, or you feel like your brakes just aren't grabbing quite like they used to, and it's probably time to get it checked. So you can replace the brake fluid yourself. Usually the time that you would replace it is when you notice the level of the brake fluid getting low, which also means that you probably need some brake pads as well. So if you're doing that service, either at home or at a shop, they will do a bleed procedure. And again, you can refer to a professional for help and advice on doing that.